Iyengar said, "There must be relaxation and full extension." In this yoga tutorial, we will go over Utthita Parvakonasana, also known as extended side angle. This is a common evolution from Warrior Two. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Bring yourself up to a standing position, starting off in mountain pose. You will find the link to this tutorial up top. Take a step back with your right leg, fully planting the right foot at a 45-degree angle and the front knee in line with your ankle. Lift up your chest. Open up your torso sideways, making sure that your shoulders are in line with your hips. Open up your arms in Warrior Two. Avoid leaning forward or back. Instead, stay centered. Rest your left forearm on top of your left thigh, never on top of the knee. And bring your right arm over the ear. Gaze up to the sky. Reach through fingertips while pressing firmly into the pinky toe side of the back foot. As you take at least 5 long deep breaths, holding the pose, avoid placing unnecessary pressure on the lower back by sticking the glutes out. Instead, engage the glutes and keep the pelvis in line with the rest of the body. One of the most common variations of extended side angle to deepen your practice is to bring the front hand straight down to the ground outside or inside the front foot. Once your hand is fully planted on the mat, bring the opposite arm over the ear. Squeeze the glutes and bring the gaze up straight up to the sky. From here, you can continue your journey to Warrior Two, Downward Facing Dog, or Tadasana. Remember, it is important to keep your practice symmetrical, so make sure that you do it on the other side as well. As always, practice makes perfect, so keep on practicing. Namaste.